Hello, today I'm gonna try to replace the driving belt in my 2002 Honda CRV EX. Okay, according to the manual, right here, this like a triangle or arrow supposed to be in the middle of this gap, like you see right here on this group. And right now, it's almost at the end, up to here, as you can see. And it's supposed to be somewhere like in the middle or close to that, or close to this close to this size right here. Okay, so this means that the belt is already worn, so I'm gonna try to replace it. Okay, first we gotta remove the power steering from this part, so you just pop it out and then kind of push it away. And then we have the first pulley right here, and then the bottom pulley, this one, which you can see the knot right here. So this is a 14 millimeters size, so we're gonna push it on that direction in order to lose it and free up the belt. And then we just pop it out and remove it, and then we will be installing the new one. Okay, I'm gonna try to show you later in a different video how I do it. So right now I'm gonna insert a 14 millimeters, this kind of wrench, as you saw. Then I'm gonna be using a regular, I think this is half inch, so I'm just gonna put it inside here, and then I'm just gonna pray it towards the front of the car, like this, to lose it. As you can see, it's getting loose. Okay, and then I'm gonna remove the belt. See, as I push, see the belt gets loose, and then just remove it. This is the old one. As you can see, it started showing signs of cracking. See? So I think it was about time to replace it compared to the new one. See? I had to take the wheel and take out these two pins right here, 1 and 2, in order to move this down like this, so I would be able to reach it from the bottom and take it out. Okay, now I installed the new driving belt, and now you can see the mark there for the tension. See how far it is now with a brand new belt drive. So now after that, I just gotta put it or insert the power steering here, and that would be it, as you saw, and that's it. Put the clamp there. We'll insert, put this together right here, inserting this. Of course we have to, that's pretty much it. Complete the job. And of course I gotta put the tire and make sure that it's running. Make sure that it's running okay. And now this complete the video. So now it's running okay. It's not making a noise. So it's perfect.